And today we are not doing an unboxing because these were in the box with my other Ipsy products, so I don't really have a box for them this month. But these are some new products from Refreshments. If you're not familiar with Refreshments, Refreshments is a new line from Ipsy. This is a body care essentials line. It's all clean products. I think they're vegan as well. No phthalates, no sulfates, no parabens, all that good stuff. Basically, always vegan and free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. So there's 3 products here I have to share with you guys. The first is the Pearly Body Wash in Citrus Spritz. So I love the packaging. It's super simple but super cute. This is like the scent that they came out with first. I do have a different scent over here, but it has like a bright pop of like almost like a pear / tart smell. It's fresh, right? This does have like the little, and then you squirt it into your hand. So that's cool. Keep it in your shower. I think the pink is super pretty. All right, we're gonna move along. Next is this is their new deodorant. So this is the Refreshments Breezy Deodorant. I have one in unscented, which is awesome. I love that. But then I also have one in lavender, which is even more awesome because you guys know, if you watch my channel for any length of time, I love florals. I love rose. I love lavender. I love gardenia. Anything like it's like considered old ladyish, I love it. I can't help it. I love what I call granny chic. That's who I am. In my soul, I'm like your grandma. Except I have my real teeth. All right, so I can't open this. I tried to be cool about it. There. Oh, it smells so good. I love that. Oh, so nice. It smells nice. These are 2-ounce tubes, and it's like a gel. It's not like a white powder. Oh, that's really nice. So I'm excited about that. I was kind of when I saw it, I was like, please don't be one of those like a dry, you know, whatever they're called. I don't even remember anymore. So it says on the back here, obviously these are also vegan, clean, cruelty-free, paraben, sulfate, and phthalate-free as well. But they say all-day airy protection, aluminum-free and baking soda-free, which is awesome. And it leaves you feeling extra fresh. Star ingredients: bergamot extract, glycerin, and aloe vera. And then there is a full ingredients list there as well. In the unscented, it is also the same with the bergamot extract, which I find interesting because that's orange and it's unscented, so I don't know how they work that in. Anyway, so those are 3 items. The actual price, this is a subscription, so you go on, and I think it starts at $5 a month. It depends on what you want added on, and then it can go as high as you'd like. It's basically one that you can customize any way you'd like. I will link to it below. I'll also link to my full review where we'll go in depth and we'll talk about it a little bit more, a little further, a little more, you know, fluidly. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.